Alrighty, so this tutorial is going to be real quick and real easy to follow. The first thing I'm going to do is show you how I made the pattern. You see here, I actually have these snap frames in a variety of sizes. What you want to do with each one when you create your pattern is add an inch to the size of the snap frame. So you can pause here and read the measurements. First thing I'm going to do was cut these pattern pieces out, and I have a lining piece and a faux leather piece, and you can see here once I've got them cut out, I actually cut them down so that that doesn't create any extra bulk, and I'm just going to zigzag stitch them to the sides to prepare them and get them ready for the rest of the process. I didn't want to have to do any turning or anything, so doing the zigzag stitch and connecting them seemed to be the easiest way. Most of these clips are pretty self-explanatory, but because I am aiming this tutorial at beginners, I want to explain everything. So I'm doing these side pieces first, and I'm just going to fold them over and sew each one. All right, so now I'm going to sew this casing for the snap frame. That's pretty self-explanatory as well. And this little piece for the loop, I don't double over. I just cut it about 1.5 inches. And since it is faux leather, there's not really going to be any fraying or anything. So I just fold that raw edge over and I sew 3 lines instead of 2. And then I'm just going to connect it here, put it on this outside piece so that when everything's done, I've got a little loop so I can attach it to my key ring or whatever else. And for these sides, since I've done so many of these already, I've learned it's best to start at the bottom of the bag. Instead of trying to get past that bulk of the casing, it's better to just start at the bottom. And those little stilettos, that little blue thing you've seen me using, is an absolute lifesaver. You should get one. Links for all of the products used in this video will be in the description box below. And if you enjoy my content and you'd like to see more, I would greatly appreciate a sub, and you can share these videos on social media to get me out there and help me move up in the algorithm or whatever you call that. But anyway, so there it is. I'm finishing up putting the snap frame in, which is also pretty self-explanatory and pretty easy to do. This felt a little intimidating to me at first. I bought the snap frames in a variety of sizes a little over a year ago, and I just wasn't happy with the end result of the first ones I did, but I found a little tutorial on YouTube, and it worked out great. So thanks for watching. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and share and sub. Peace, y'all. Bye-bye.